king.
I like it, I like it.
Cooking like a king. On this episode of Cooking Like a King, how to make roux. Yeah. What do you need? Flour, any kind of flour, fat, butter, or oil, cast iron skillet, a wooden spatula, and yes, time. Don't be scared. Alright, and for a lighter roux, you need butter. For a darker roux, you need vegetable oil. And then you'll always have that perfect base. Now let's get cooking.
Now you add that oil or that butter depending on what kind of roux you making, baby. And then when you go add that flour, now you be careful, Sha. It gonna shoot you like AK on Bourbon Street. You better watch out now. And then you get that spatula and you wanna make sure all that flour covered up with that oil now. You move it all the way around there. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I like it. I like it. There we go, baby. And then if I guarantee you see it, if it go clump up like that, you see it clumping, don't get scared, baby. Don't get scared. No, no, no. You add a little bit more of that oil, and it gonna smooth out, I guarantee. Don't freak out now. I want to see your faces getting all sad like you be like a petite baby. No, no. There you go. Watch this. Oh, watch this. Oh, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, I like it. Wow. Now that's what we working with. That's what we talking about. Now, baby.
Anyway, you about to miss the opportunity to tell them that this is your white roux. This is what you use for your sauces, your cheese-based things. Good start.
Whoa. With that magic? You doing that voodoo again on my show? Oh, no. You better slow down with that now.
Bruh, that was not no voodoo. That was not no magic. That was just...
I'm just saying now.
That was not. I'm trying to tell you what it was. You ain't listening.
Hey, there go again. Oh, no. What you doing, baby?
It's just, see.
You better calm it down. Let me see if I can try that shot. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm just
Ooh, wee. Oh, look at me now, baby. I'm doing that magic too now, Sean. I'm doing it too.
This is your darker roux that you can use for etouffee, whatever.
Can I try one more thing? One more thing now. Let me try to slow it down for you, Chef. You know I love me some slow motion, that Chef. I sure do. Look at that, baby.
Whatever. This is your darker roux. Use it for your gumbo stew. I'm done talking. I'm King Creole, Le Chef.
And I'm sous-chef Zefron.
Witness the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you.